Hi, I'm Craven Hansen, and I'm here to welcome you to IMTS, or my little virtual version of it at least. I'm pretty excited to have an opportunity to talk to you a little bit about what I do and what my company Platinum Tooling does. I've been in the machine tool accessories for some time now, and it continues to excite me to see new developments and things that I can offer and help people with, and that's what we're going to talk a little bit about today. Previously, we were at IMTS as Hymatech Incorporated and have had a name change since, and we now have more products to offer than ever before. We still represent Hymatech, and it's our core business and the majority of what we do, but we now also import Technicrafts product for North America, Henninger, and AMF products. So we have a lot to offer everyone, and I'm sad we can't show it for IMTS, but I'm pretty happy to be able to show you what we have here. All right, in spite of the name change and the fact we're now Platinum Tooling, Hymatech is our core business and what we focus on more than anything else. And I want to show you some of the tools we have and tell you a little bit about the product. Our standard product is very typical of a tool like this, cross-working tool for a BMT turret. It's an ER32 output. You can have a standard ER collet in there. But all of our tools have a built-in changing system, so you can use either ER32 or you can use what we call our UTEC system. And the UTEC system fits in here with a polygon drive. It'll never slip. It's a very rigid connection, and the point is it gives the customer a great deal of flexibility in what they're going to do with a live tool. They can take the same live tool, use it for lots of different applications. So this is a standard that we have for all our tools, and a very effective way of helping the customers have tools that have multi-purpose on them. So that's a standard tool, standard cross, standard face tools. We make tools in both the BMT style, as I showed you there, and VDI style, and we stock all of them here in Prospect Heights. What I wanted to focus on a little bit, though, is some of the newer things and some of the specialty products. This year has been a tough year, and maybe customers are holding off on buying new machine tools, but buying new tools that can help them do more with their existing tools. So this is the kind of stuff I have here. This is typical. This is a twin spindle tool. You put this in the turret, you now have an additional spot in your turret, and you can do more with the same machine. This is a very good selling tool this year. In addition, something like this, where you have a universal and adjustable angle, allows the customer to do a little bit more on the machine, come up with, maybe avoid having to take the part off and refixture it on a different machine. So you're a little bit more cost effective that way. New for us are more focused on capital output. This is something that we're stocking here as well. So for customers that really want quick change, it's a very nice feature. And then we really have done a great deal on Swiss machines this year. This is a citizen-specific live tool, and we're stocking and selling a great deal of product for the Swiss market, including these citizen tools and speeders for many Swiss-related products. Like, to complement all of the live tools that we sell, we do stock a complete range of static product like we have here. This happens to be a half-index turning tool. This is something that allows the customer to hold 4 static tools in one position. So, again, doing as much as you can with the machines that currently the customers have. So, in addition to the live tools, Hymatech has a complete series of angle heads, as I have here, that we inventory. This is a ER25 output tool, so you can hold a 5/8 cutter in it, weighs 12 pounds. It can tool change in just about any machine on the market, very cost effective. additional, it has our changing system built into it. So it's drill and tap application. Customer does not need to buy two. They can have an insert with a drill and insert with a tap. Very, again, cost effective. We actually have been selling a fair amount of universal angle heads as well, kind of along the same lines of what I talked about earlier, doing more with one machine. So this is a Cat 40 tool that you can adjust the angle on. And again, these are readily available from us. We're very good at helping customers figure out how to make a tool change, how to mount stop blocks, and get this functional very easy. In addition to the Swiss live tools that we offer, we have a complete line of collets and guide bushings for Swiss machines. These fit just about any Swiss machine on the market. These are imported from our supplier Technicrafts and has been a very successful product for us, growing business daily, really. We have collets with lots of alternatives for shapes, smooth, grooved, serrated, long nose, step collets. We make custom profiles, all kinds of, pretty much whatever somebody would need as far as a collet goes. And a guide bushing as well. Max Land for the guide bushings, very accurate. We have products that are 5 micron or better in accuracy, so the customer can really hold some tight tolerances. We're offering straight shank ER collet chucks to complement all the collets and guide bushings, and keeping some inventory of all of this product here. In addition to the Swiss products that we have, Technicrafts manufactures a few other styles that we also inventory here. 16C collets, 3J collets, 5C collets. Special ones are no problem for us to do. And then we do a nice business in the W-style collets, which are used on CNC cutter grinders. Henninger is another manufacturer that we represent here in North America. They're a German company, and they build a variety of different speed increasers and custom angle heads. The speed increasers include air-driven ones like this that will run 80,000 RPM continuously, geared tools that will run up to 50,000 RPM with a 7-time multiplier, or big ones like this that'll run 30,000 RPM, as well as a variety of different motorized speeders if that application suits. The custom angle heads they do for us can be long, small. Basically, we could tackle any application with those. Lastly, we represent AMF out of Germany as well. AMF has a variety of different products that we offer. Ball washers, straight washers, different ways of cleaning off the machine. Markers like this. This is a way of avoiding engraving much faster. It's a writer and it can move basically as fast as a machine tool will move. It works through a material displacement type of setup. And then we wanted to introduce a new product from them. These are grippers. The grippers are either run through pneumatics or hydraulics or coolant fed, and they're a way of automating workpiece change out in machine tools. Thanks for your time today, and feel free to reach out to us at platinumtooling.com. We'd love to hear from you. We recently printed a new catalog. This is a nice overall image of what we have to offer, and you can call us or email us for this and we'll get you a copy of that.